cup and you get 1 cup of flour. This is not one measuring cup because a measuring cup is this much. So just do 1 cup. Flour. Put the lid back on. Take a spoon and baking powder.
Then you take the butter.
Don't know how to do an egg, do it into a bowl first so that no shell goes in the powder.
And make sure to wash your hands.
So, not just water.
If you don't know how to wash your hands, that's how you wash your hands.
Oh no, the pancake pan is dirty. Put 1 cup of milk in there and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then you stir it, and then once it's a big stirred combined mixture, then you can cook it. You keep stirring, you keep stirring. You want some lumps but not too many lumps. Actually, this is okay now. There you have it. You have pancake mix. Now you just have to fry it and flip it and eat it. All done. Doesn't do anything. Pancake. And then when it's half cooked, flip it. Oh, this is like a crepe. This is not the color for a pancake. This is a crepe. Oopsie, I didn't do enough baking powder. Cooking about crepes. Close up of the maple syrup. That's it for today. Goodbye.